Good afternoon, thanks for having me. My name is Kobina Ansah, co-founder of ModernLend. I'd like to start off by telling you a story about our friend Anne from China. Anne has always strived for excellence, going to a top-tier university in China, going to a top MBA program, and after completing her program, attaining a highly coveted position at a finance firm. But when she needed the support of a credit card to help her reach her next key life milestone, she was declined. Now, when you think about her academic history and her future income potential, that seems pretty ridiculous. But the reason why Anne was declined is because she was seen through the traditional credit lens used to evaluate borrowers for decades. And because Anne didn't have a credit score, she was virtually invisible. And when we dug deeper, we realized Anne is not alone. There are over 1.4 million creditworthy international citizens currently living in the UK, and collectively, they represent over $1.5 billion of annual revenue generating opportunity currently being overlooked by traditional lenders. And when you look at the primary markets to which international students and workers go, this opportunity expands to over £9 billion annually. Now you might be wondering, what type of opportunities do these citizens currently have access to? Well, they can get a credit card that requires a UK cosigner, but if you're new to the UK, that can be quite difficult. You get a secured credit card, which requires you to make a deposit equal to the credit line desired, or you get a high interest rate, low credit line credit card, which typically offers interest rates as high as 35%, initial credit lines as low as £300. All of these options were customized for subprime borrowers, which our customers are not. ModernLend's mission is to be the lender to every creditworthy international citizen. And we'll initially accomplish this by launching the ModernLend credit card in the United States in August this year. Now, what's special about this credit card? Well, it'll be the first credit card fully customized for international students and workers that will not require a traditional credit score. It'll offer an initial credit line of $2,000 and access to premier rewards and benefits. And we'll do this by leveraging our proprietary risk assessment model that uses metrics that have been proven in emerging markets to be highly predictive of creditworthiness, including areas such as education, employment history, financial transactions, and behavioral data, allowing us to understand our customers in a way traditional lenders have not been able to do to date. And while we analyze thousands of data points on each of our customers, they get to enjoy a sleek user experience, which start to finish with a credit decision can be completed within 15 minutes. It starts with personally reported data, then uses powerful APIs such as Yodlee to help us understand our customers' financial position both domestically and internationally. And in terms of customer acquisition, we're initially focusing on international students going to top-tier schools such as UPenn and New York University, where we've already held discussions with their international student offices to see how we can support their international students, and expat employers such as Google and Microsoft, who've actually reached out to us to see how we can support their workers. Getting to a live credit product has been a long time in the making. After having hundreds of banks tell us that what we were attempting to do was not possible, in the fall of last year, we launched a debit card product through Wells Fargo, which both proved the tenacity of the team, as well as enabled us to be able to understand the true needs of our customers. And with 2 months of launch, we had paying customers at over 12 campuses. And this positioned us well to win BBVA's International FinTech competition, where out of 650 teams, we were selected as one of the teams that they were most excited to work with and sponsor. And through their sponsorship, we've been able to recently secure a partnership with a large banking institution, which will be formally announced this August. Over our 12-month pilot program, we'll have the opportunity to issue over $10 million of credit, which can support over 5,000 customers. And to ensure the full alignment of our incentives, we'll be splitting the net income from the portfolio. So once again, in 2015, we launched the ModernLend debit card. In 2016, we'll launch the ModernLend credit card. And as we continue to refine our risk assessment model, our lending opportunities become truly limitless. And we're the right team to execute this strategy. My partner and I both come from international backgrounds, so we intimately understand the challenges faced by our friends, families, and colleagues when entering the U.S. financial system. We also represent over 10 years of experience in specialty lending and investment, with my partner investing over $500 million in alternative lending platforms while at Goldman Sachs, and me underwriting over $1 billion in specialty lending products while at Wells Fargo. And we're supported by an awesome team of marketers and technicians who are all passionate about what we're doing, given their international backgrounds and experiences. And to support this vision, we're currently raising a convertible note, of which to date we've raised 3/4 of the target amount. Proceeds from the convertible note will be used to support us with over 12 months of runway, support our customer acquisition initiatives, as well as the expansion of the ModernLend team. So if you are as excited as we are about uncovering a multi-billion-pound lending opportunity, let's work together so that we don't overlook another great opportunity like Anne, who's not only a great friend, but a happy ModernLend customer. Thank you so much for your time.
Kobina, I'm grateful, wife.
Thank you.
Congratulations. So the banks told you it couldn't be done.
Yep.
What kind of made you feel, actually, we're going to just plow on through and get this done? What gave you the faith?
I think that we just believed in the cause. I mean, again, we've seen our families who've gone through this struggle. We knew that they were creditworthy. They're going to great schools. They're working at great employers. There's no reason why they shouldn't be lent to. And if there's a will, there's a way. And so we found that way, and we're excited to go live in market in a couple weeks.
Great. Well, congratulations. And one of the things that we've been loving about kind of working the Open Talent program and with the startup stage at Wired Money is seeing people come back. You just had Kim here talking, and he won 2 years ago. If you come back in, 2 or 3 years, what do you hope you'll be telling the audience here?
That we have served hundreds of thousands of clients, millions of clients in the United States, and we've expanded our footprint globally, so expanding to other markets such as the UK, Australia, Canada, and others.
Great. Well, we look forward to hearing your story, and do share it with everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Cheers.